Gerald Lucas here with another installment of Ask Gerald, where you get your real estate questions answered. Today's question comes from Nirav, and Nirav writes from Somerville, Massachusetts. And Nirav writes, Gerald, how can I make the most of today's low interest rates? Well, that's a great question, Nirav. You know, one obvious way to take full advantage of today's lower interest rates is to purchase real estate with a fixed rate mortgage. Now, nobody knows how, interest rates will change in the future, but normally, because interest rates are historically low now, if you buy real estate at that low rate, it's normally a good decision if you can afford it, particularly if rates go up in the future. But a less obvious effect of a low interest rate environment that truly savvy real estate investors recognize is that in a low interest rate environment, there's normally results in a lot of unemployed capital sitting on the sidelines looking for a place to park to earn a higher rate of return. Okay? And all that frustrated capital on the sidelines presents an opportunity for savvy real estate investors because it creates the opportunity to attract and raise money from private lenders to fund their real estate deals by promising them a much higher rate of return than they could realistically earn in today's low interest rate environment. So thanks for your question, Nirav. Good luck. For more real estate information and tips, visit my blog at geraldlucas.com. I'm Gerald Lucas, and I'll see you again soon.